Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can upload images to Cloudinary inside browser using vanilla JavaScript. Cloudinary basically offers this widget, guys. Basically I'm showing you where you can drag drop your local images, or you can basically type a web address of the public URL that you want to upload. You can even directly upload using capture a photograph of your camera. This automatically captures the camera. You can capture the photograph, or you can import photos from Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram. It provides you this widget. So basically I will be telling you that how to integrate this using the CDN of Cloudinary. So first of all, go to Cloudinary, create account here. It offers a free API developer console, and here you can see inside my media library I'm storing all these images. And here when you basically create your account here, you just need to go to here. This is basically the Cloudinary console here, and here you will need to get your cloud name and the preset name. I will be showing you how you can do that. You need to go to settings here, and after you go to settings, basically it gives you monthly credits, guys. If you are using the free plan, I'm currently on the free plan, so I'm having 25 monthly credits. So one credit is equal to 1000 transformations of the image. So you can just see it offers 25 credits to the free account. And here basically you will be assigned a unique cloud name. My cloud name is coding Shiksha, so you just need to store this information. And here you need to go to access keys. You can even create a new access key as well if you want to. And then basically it basically contains a lot of information, and we do need this preset name as well, guys. So you can create a new preset as well. I have already created these presets. So let's start with the code here and just create a simple index.html file, guys. Let me create a basic file. So we will say that Cloudinary upload widget. So this comes with its own CDN, guys. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. So basically I will include this script tag. All the source code is given in the description of the video, guys. We are including this CDN tag, guys. You will see that. And after this, inside our body here, we will simply write a simple button. So we will have a button here which will simply say upload files, and here we will give it an ID to the button which will be upload widget, and we will be giving a class to it of Cloudinary button. So if you just now open this with, you will now see basically if you click, nothing will happen because it offers automatic styling. You can see the button is in blue color. So the class that I have given right here, it basically style this automatically, Cloudinary button. You will see that you can even change this color as well. Let's suppose we can say Cloudinary button, and here we can say background color to red, and here we just need to add this flag here. If you now do, the color will be changed here. So basically Cloudinary offers this class Cloudinary button automatically, so it default color is blue. So now we just need to write the JavaScript part here, guys. So JavaScript is very much important. We just need to bind. We need to first of all select this button by its ID, upload widget. We will basically add a on click is a listener. So whenever we click this button, what should happen? We will basically call this widget. First of all, let me create this widget here. So we will create the widget, and this basically Cloudinary dot, we will use this method create upload widget. So this basically contains this method, and here we need to pass the cloud name. And I already told you cloud name is, you can find out inside your Cloudinary console. My name is coding Shiksha, and then we need to provide the upload preset. This I can use new insta. This is my preset name. and just close this object, and it basically returns a callback function, error and result. And basically if no error take place, and also if the file is successful, these conditions will be true. If the result event is success, in that case we perfectly know that our file is successfully uploaded, so we can basically show a message that file is uploaded. So now if you see guys, nothing will happen. We need to activate this widget. So how we can do that? We can say my widget. It basically contains a method open. So what it will do guys, basically it will open this widget, and here we need to pass the false here. So what it will happen, it will open this widget for us guys, and here we can drag drop any files that we need to upload here. Let's suppose if I upload this file, you can see we are uploading this file. It is, you can see the progress bar, it is processing, and you can now see file is uploaded. If I check my media library, go to the Cloudinary console here, and basically go to here. So just check your media library, just go to it and refresh, and now you will see basically guys, this file is uploaded. The file size is 1.19 MB. All the dimensions, all the details of the location, you will see the preset that we selected, new insta. So every time you upload a file to a Cloudinary guys, some credits is detected. So 25 credits is given to you for a free account. So make sure that you use it in a proper way. Whenever you want to upload this, then only upload this to Cloudinary. You can even do just provide an address of a image. Let's suppose I provide a address here, this image, copy image address. I provide, let's suppose, this image, upload queue, and upload done. So what will happen here? So now you can see that guys, this image is also been uploaded. 41 kilobytes is the image, and you can even basically this widget provides more functionality. You can also take a picture from your camera, click capture, it will take a photograph, you can directly upload. You can see that file uploaded. So you can do this. The widget provides you the many functionality guys. You can also import photos from Google Drive, Dropbox. So with this nice little code that I showed you guys in browser, using vanilla JavaScript, you can basically embed this widget on your website to directly upload files to Cloudinary. This is a very simple project. All the source code is given in the description. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.